You're looking for the best value in a premium level, mid-size, third-row seat SUV? This is it. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this 2024 Nissan Pathfinder SL. Beautiful vehicle, just like new, low miles. Around back, rear park assist sensors, ample cargo room, even with that third-row seat folded up. Power lift gate. Backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler, black appearance package. Gives you the blacked out emblems, which gives it a little extra pop. Beautiful 18-inch alloy wheels with a great set of tires. 3 across seating in the second row, plus 3 more in the third row, gives you an amazing 8-passenger capability. Rear heating and air controls, rear USB charging ports. Even has built-in sunshades for your rear seat passengers. It's pearl white tri-coat with charcoal leather interior, factory roof rack with optional crossbars, tinted windows, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights and headlights, forward collision sensor, front park assist. It's equipped with passive keyless entry, leather bucket seats, power seat, all-weather mats, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rearview mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Power liftgate controls, automatic headlight controls, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, paddle shifters, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth and intelligent cruise. Only 20,000 well cared for, 1 owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, factory navigation, backup camera with that really nice 360-degree around view monitor. Push button start, dual zone climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger, even has a heated steering wheel. 12-volt outlet, inductive wireless cell phone charging, more USB ports, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including tailgate release, remote start, factory owner's manual that's never even been out of the package, original window sticker, Carfax vehicle history report, and universal garage door opener located in your auto dimming rear view mirror. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Nissan Pathfinder SL, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.